Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Opel is continuing its ongoing product offensive by launching a true all-rounder with the new Opel Combo Life, a wonderful family car full of innovations that makes everything possible. The fifth-generation Combo is based on a new architecture. It is immensely spacious, highly practical, and versatile, equipped with 1 or 2 rear sliding doors and can be ordered as a short, 4.40 meters, or long, 4.75 meters, version and as a 5 or 7-seater. With the new Opel Combo Life, you will be the hero of your local sports team when taking an entire 7A-side team plus sports apparel to the next match. Your planned family extensions can relax on 3 individual rear seats, all with Isofix child seat brackets, and enjoy a wonderful view of the sky thanks to the panoramic roof. And your friends will also love the outstanding spaciousness and ask whether they can borrow your new Opel Combo Life for their trips to nearest Swedish furniture store. However, more strikingly, the new Opel Combo Life raises the bar in terms of technical ambition in this segment and takes the level of safety and comfort to a new dimension. It is fitted with technologies and driver assistance systems well known from the compact or SUV segment, such as driver drowsiness alert, rear view camera with 180 degrees bird's eye view, head-up display, IntelliGrip, and comfort features such as heated seats and a heated leather steering wheel. One of the newcomers to the Opel portfolio of assistance systems is Flank Guard. It supports drivers when turning at low speeds. And on top of that, the new Opel Combo Life is also pleasant on the eye thanks to bold proportions, giving a strong and robust appearance. The new Opel Combo Life is a key vehicle in our product offensive. Our newcomer will definitely appeal to families with its versatility and spaciousness, combined with an outstanding offer of ultra-modern driver assistance systems that make driving safer and traveling more enjoyable, said Opel CEO Michael Loscheller. This car has a huge potential to grow the brand and gives us the opportunity to attack the important small van segment with new vigor. In the interior, driver ergonomics have played a decisive part, resulting in a well-organized cockpit where all the controls are easy for the driver to find and reach. The center console is clearly divided in 3 different areas. In its upper part, the infotainment system takes up most of the space. Down from there, the driver finds the heating and ventilation controls, and in the lower part there is adequate storage space for a 0.5-liter bottle. Chrome accents on the steering leather wheel, on the door handles and in the air vents add further character. Under the bonnet, Opel Combo Life customers will have the choice between a variety of turbocharged, direct injection petrol and diesel engines. All of the units combine driving pleasure with a high level of fuel economy. The engines are mated to 5 or 6-speed manual transmissions, with a segment first 8-speed automatic option also being available.